How to navigate to Kirin lobby. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go to the lobby directly. First of all, open the application. Now, as you can see, I'm already inside a slot game. So this is the place where I can directly spin and earn different rewards. But how do you go to the lobby after playing the game? Here on the right top, you can see this back button. Simply tap on this back button and you'll be directed to the lobby. But make sure that you have collected all your rewards and you're ready to go back. Now simply tap on this button. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, I'm in my lobby. So here you can change your game or even quit the game. So this is the best way because all the rewards will be collected and you can then skip the application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.